Right, here's something we've shown you earlier, but I don't think we took a full video of it. It's the signal boost functionality, which is available on Orange handsets. It's actually made or created by a company called Kineto, and it's using their smart Wi-Fi technology, and it basically means that all of your calls can get routed out over Wi-Fi. So if you don't have a decent sort of connection over your network over Orange when you're in the office or at home, and you haven't got that many bars, as you can see I've only got 2 here, then you can use the Wi-Fi to route your calls out instead and receive. There's no change in phone number, your number stays the same, everything remains the same. You can use the phone in the same way, send text messages, multimedia messages, obviously make and receive calls. All you have to do is look for this signal boost option on your phone. Now it's on the top left here. We're just going to turn it on. It's available on a number of HTC devices, including the Cha-Cha, the Wildfire S, the Desire S. It's also available on, I think, the LG Optimus 1 and the Monte Carlo 2 from ZTE, and the Orange Barcelona and the Orange Stockholm. So we just click on Signal Boost, and basically there's Wi-Fi settings, so you just got to make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot of some description. So if you ask your boss, look, I've got no signal, I can never receive any calls, basically ask him for the WEP key or the WPA key for your Wi-Fi. Hook onto the Wi-Fi so you can browse for free. Now, it'll take a few seconds just to log in. As you can see, I've got a little red house there on top left, which means I'm not fully connected just yet. We'll give it a few seconds just to sort that out, and it'll connect over the Wi-Fi that we've got here, and it should shortly turn to a green house, which means that I'm connected over the signal boost over the Wi-Fi. And there we go, we've got a green now. Now, all the calls that this phone receives and makes will be over the Wi-Fi. Now, there is one minor down point to this, and that is the handover. So if you do receive a call, and something that I did find myself when I had signal problems in my previous employers, as you can see I've got no bars of signal now at all, but that's not a big problem because I've got the Wi-Fi and I can use that. But one problem I did find is that when I made a call, if I went out of the office and out of Wi-Fi range, it wouldn't automatically hand over to the normal sort of network, the normal 3G network, the normal GSM network. So that's the part it doesn't do. So you do have to stay within the Wi-Fi range if you're already on a call that is routed through this signal boost technology. But this is the signal boost technology. It boosts your coverage indoors. Obviously all your web traffic goes out over the Wi-Fi too, so it lowers down your data usage, and it's a good excuse to give the boss to get yourself onto the internal network, onto the Wi-Fi, get your phone on there, and then you can do all your browsing without having to pay for the data. Here you can see a bit more about the application itself. It uses open source technology, which you can read there if you're really that bored. And we can see the Wi-Fi settings, hop straight into my Wi-Fi hotspot here, and you can see that I'm connected, and I'm connected through a secure Wi-Fi hotspot. And if I make some calls now and do it through the phone here, we could just make a normal call, 450. This is a pay-as-you-go, I believe. Put the speaker on, and that, even though I've got no bars of signal, will go out through the signal boost. So there we go.
Now, to top up or for anything else to do with adding credit to your phone,
as you can hear, perfectly good audio quality, no problem there whatsoever. So no bars of signal, no problem. Use signal boost.
About topping